In a new effort for transparency, the new White House now releasing their COVID-19 data publicly to all of you. The latest report shows Arizona is #2 for mortality rates for populations that are over 1 million people. So we're only behind Los Angeles. President Biden's executive order releases all COVID-19 information, and before today, the governors were the ones to receive it. And then it was a constant request for us to try to get Governor Ducey to share that information so you could see it. And many times he did not. ABC 15's Nicole Grigg with new insight tonight from the state's former director of emergency management about what we can expect on a nationwide plan.
One of President Joe Biden's executive order is ensuring a data-driven response. And for us here in Arizona, that's a new level of transparency. For the first time, a public database of the big picture for COVID-19 across the country. The new COVID-19 Community Profile Report shows nearly all of Arizona is in an area of concern as a sustained hotspot.
And that really is the intent of doing that was to restore trust with the American people.
The state's former director of emergency management, Wendy Smith-Reeve, has 2 decades in this field, helping lead Arizona through 100 state and 13 presidential disaster declarations.
Whenever you're looking at a complex situation, you have to look at multiple courses of action. There's no one right way to do it.
The new administration with a 23-page national strategy for COVID-19 that will organize and mobilize the U.S. government to provide a unified response.
That's possible that we'll see additional federal presence in states. What they're really going to be looking to do, from what I'm reading, is enhance the level of participation and collaboration with state and local governments, tribal governments, local communities, urban and rural.
Some of the key points, along with transparent data, is mitigating spread by expanding testing, treatment, manufacturing, and delivering supplies for vaccines and PPE, looking at new guidance for schools and businesses, and helping address the impact of COVID-19 for minority communities. As for Wendy, the first thing she'd be doing is reading this plan word by word.
I know what I would be doing would be to take a look at and really dive into the national strategy that the president has pushed out and sent forward. So getting with the FEMA regional administrators and having that conversation to say, okay, how together can we implement this strategy? What does the timeline look like? What do we want to focus on first? Where can we partner together?
With the new administration in the White House, we will have to wait and see what, if anything, the feds will be doing here in Arizona, as we have a governor who has not taken any new mitigation measures. Reporting in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.